Hi friends, welcome to Indian Actors Paradise. In this video, you are going to watch Simran's top 5 waterfalls scenes. Simran has done a lot of glamorous scenes and waterfall scenes, and here are the list of top 5 waterfall scenes she has done in films. At number 5, Ezhumalai. These waterfall scenes of Simran were picturized for the film Ezhumalai. It is a 2002 Tamil film directed by Arjun. Simran was beautifully and glamorously picturized in this waterfall scene by the cinematographer K.S. Selvaraj. Simran played a very glamorous role in the film. At number 4, Natpukkaga. These waterfall scenes of Simran were picturized for the film Natpukkaga. It is a 1998 Tamil film directed by K.S. Ravikumar. Simran was beautifully and glamorously picturized by the cinematographer Ashok Rajan. Simran played a very glamorous role in the film, and her performance were appreciated by both critics and audience. At number 3, Ethirum Puthirum. These waterfall scenes of Simran were picturized for the film Ethirum Puthirum. Simran has done only a cameo dance performance for this film, and which was beautifully picturized by the cinematographer A. Karthik Raja. At number 2, Nannaki Pelli. These waterfall scenes of Simran were picturized for the film Nannaki Pelli. It is a 1997 Telugu film directed by E.V.V. Satyanarayana. Simran played a very glamorous role in the film, and she was glamorously picturized by the cinematographer. At number 1, Kovilpatti Veeralakshmi. These waterfall scenes of Simran were picturized for the film Kovilpatti Veeralakshmi. It is a 2003 Tamil film directed by K. Rajeshwar. Simran was beautifully picturized by the cinematographer Ashok Kumar. She played a very de-glamorized role in the film, and her performance were hugely appreciated by both critics and audience. This video is dedicated to Simran, the glamorous queen of Indian cinema. Thank you for watching our video. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe so that you can get notification on our next video. Thank you once again from Indian Actors Paradise.